本人 本人 is mean the person themselves or say person. The person themselves. So what is that? In here we have the example like 田中さんは本人と話をしました。田中さんは本人と話をしました。This means 田中さん talk direct with John himself. The first in Japanese sentence we don't have John, but 本人 is mean when we don't want to call that person name, we can say 本人, which means that person himself or herself, but we don't want to talk about his or her name, so you can say in Japanese mean 本人. Nin is mean person, right? It mean people, but hong is mean the long things or the main. So it mean you can say the person themselves. For example, herself or himself or themselves. So in here, when we talk about somebody or some person, but we don't want to talk about his or her name, you can say 本人と話をしました。This means I talk direct with himself or herself. So this is about the meaning of 本人